Chris, I thought it might be a little easier to do this in a video to show you the areas that you missed. You were required to have your name, the date last updated, and then the title for your Excel sheet. You got the name, obviously, of the solar system, and the Mergent Center was correct. You needed to do the total points possible using the sum function, which you did. But then you also were required to do the total points possible, which you didn't doing the sum. Now, I did this over here to show you that was what the sum would be. So I was a little confused as to, you knew how to do it and you didn't do it. So I don't know if you just overlooked it. The other piece was you were supposed to do the percentage of what the student earned, which is the total points earned by the student divided by the total points possible. So there would have been a column for that as well. So what you need to make sure that you do is first go up here and get percentage up. Then in the box, click equals, click on the first student's total points, do the /, click on the total points possible, and click enter, and that gives you 89%. That would be their percentage of the grade that they earned. And you would do that for each one of your students. The graphs that you inserted into sheet 3 needed to be renamed per the rubric. So, that was the last one on here, 2 separate graphs in their own worksheet within the spreadsheet and labeled graphs at the bottom. So that would have been renaming this, and you just go to rename and then put graphs like that. And you could have, there was no requirement to rename this, but you could have put this as data if you wanted to. But you weren't required to do that, you were just required to do this. So I thought that it would be easier to show you this. If you have any questions, please contact me.